Hi guys, so I'm Steffi and I bet you can guess what this video is about. I'm going to show you how I made these cute little ears. I literally have all of the remnants behind me. So I'm going to Disney in July and Alex's family is taking me. So I thought that I would make some ears. I had some inspiration on Instagram. I really wanted light up flower ears, okay? And I've been following this account, like Disney Bound Co. on Instagram for a really long time. I finally just was like, I can't afford these and they're not gonna come in time because I waited too long. So I went and bought everything myself. So everything either came from Hobby Lobby, Dollar Tree, or Five Below. And I'll put everything in the description where I got stuff and how much it was. Also, I didn't want to wake up my roommate or anything, so for most of the video it's quiet, and put some descriptions down like here-ish maybe about what I'm doing and what is happening. Also, the dog is kind of back and forth through the video. Lexi makes an appearance, so maybe you get to meet her. If you want to keep watching, you can watch me make these. Well, I forgot ribbon to cover up the wire, so we're gonna go on an adventure to Dollar Tree. We really need to cut our grass.
I'm so sorry if she's bothering you. Videotaping right now?
Yeah, but I'm gonna... Okay, you're in it now. You're not gonna delete that.
And I was like, I'm so sorry, like, if she's bothering you. He just looked at me.
I wish people were just nice. But alas.
I'm trying to be nice and like get her out of your way. But she was just like standing in our yard. She wasn't.
Do you want me to introduce you in my vlog? Thank you. God, their ears! Ah! Woohoo! running on my tractor. You know, I need to stop. Hello, hi to the vlog. Mwah. You're so cute. These are them. They are literally so cute. I made sure to kind of make the inside wide because I knew whenever I put them on, my head would squish them up. You know, I left a little spot open for the switch. Look how cute. I'm obsessed. Look at these. I can't even believe that I made these. Like, I'm not a crafty person and I made these. I'm so proud. I think I did a good job and I have enough stuff to, you know, make more. If you want me to make you a pair, maybe I shouldn't promote myself yet. Definitely the hardest part was the wires. Wrapping the wire around the wire was really hard. Like, it kind of lost its shape, but I'm sure I can fix that. But I'm super excited about this. Basically, hot glue was my best friend. I could not have done this without the many of YouTube channels and Pinterest DIYs that I found, as well as the inspiration from Castlebound Co. on Instagram. You should follow them. Guys, so this is the finished product and that concludes the video. I hope that you guys like this and you can subscribe and like it up. If you found this DIY for Mickey ears that light up, follow me on Instagram. It's Steffi with an I, C Williams. Follow me on Instagram and maybe you can see what I look like in Disney with these cute ears. Bye. Okay.